Hey guys, Steve Welch here, being a Toyota in downtown Nashville. Coming to you, I've had a couple people ask a few more questions on the 2020 Highlander and the kick open liftgate. It's pretty easy to use. You just have your key in your hand, you come through and you kick and you walk out, you're going to see the thing will start to open. Now, there's a couple questions that people have asked. Number one, can you open it and close it with the kick? And the answer is definitely yes, you can open and close it with the kick. There's a proximity sensor, so once you get close, throw your foot under there and bring it back, and once you back up is when it'll actually come down. So it gives you some time before it actually comes down. So that's important. The other question is which trim levels have it. The Limited has it and the Platinum has it. So that is one thing that's asked a lot, of course. Now, the other thing that's asked is, can I get a hitch on my Highlander? And there's actually two answers to that. The answer is yes and kinda. So here's the thing. This one's an XLE. It has the Toyota factory hitch on there. You can see how the factory hitch looks, which the XLE doesn't offer your kick, but you can see that, obviously kicking, I'll turn this down. Obviously kicking there might not be something that looks to make sense. But here's the reason that they don't have the hitch on here as of yet. And what it is, and I'm going to go ahead and get under this car, so bear with me as I kind of crawl down here. Big guy, of course. So from under this car, you're going to see your sensor is actually right here. That sensor is pretty long. It runs from over here all the way over to this side. So you've got a lot of room that you can actually, and I'm trying to focus here a little bit, but you have a lot of room that you can actually kick your foot. So you don't have to have it in just one spot, but you can see, and I'm trying to show you here, this is the sensor that's going. So you can see that. So the thing is this car is set up for a hitch like any other Highlander. If you see your bolts here, these things can pop out, and you can actually go and you can put your hitch. There's some on the other side as well, so you can put your hitch here. The problem with that is that when you put your hitch on here, the kick will no longer work using the factory hitch, because the sensor is not going to be able to see it. So from what I understand, Toyota has a fix for that. And what they're going to do is they're going to actually offer the hitch on the Limited and on the Platinum, but they're going to have to reposition that sensor that is on there. So you just saw where that sensor is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually come under this XLE just so you can see the difference here. And I'll get on the ground twice just for you guys. So I hope you appreciate that. But you'll see where this hitch sits. It's right here. It's under where this sensor would be if it was there. So you're going to have that issue with that hitch. So where will they position it? How will they do it? I really don't know. But let's just say this. So if you do want the Limited, you do want the Platinum, you can do the Platinum and you can put on the hitch, and you're not going to have any issues other than you're not going to be able to use the kick for your liftgate. But like I said, if you get it from the factory, it's going to be repositioned, but it's not as of yet. From what I understand, they're not building it that way yet. So bear with them. Of course, they're gonna figure that part out, I'm sure. But from as far as Toyota told us that it's going to be available with the hitch, you're just going to have to do those two things to it. But right now, you're probably not going to get it with the hitch unless you add it. And if you add it, then obviously you wouldn't have that kick function. So I will show you this as well. This is actually a printout of what that sensor looks like. So you can kind of take a look and see what that sensor looks like, which is right there, which is what I was trying to show you underneath. I'm not sure how well it focused. Just trying to give you guys a shot of it, and so you could see exactly how that sensor looked. But like I said, it's really easy to use. You just get close, and as long as you got the key on you, it'll start to come up. It'll pop open for you. It's a really cool feature. Only on the Limited, only on the Platinum, both the hybrids and all-wheel drives, two-wheel drives. It'll have it as long as it's the Limited or a Platinum trim level. So once again, just trying to help you guys out, answer some questions that you guys have. I did another video that really did show exactly what how this system worked, and I wanted to kind of elaborate on it because people are asking about the hitch. And can you get it, and will you be able to get it? And from everything I understand, the answer is yes. But, and that's kind of the thought right now is, you know, you can add it, but it's you might not have that sensor work. If you get it from the factory, that sensor should be repositioned so that it will work. So that being said, let me know if you have any other questions. I know it's not 100% answer, but it's definitely, that's the answer that's there right now, as of, you know, July in Highlander world here. So Steve Welch from Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. If you guys are in the Nashville area and you want to buy a car, definitely I'm more than happy to help you buy one. Like I said, name's Steve Welch in downtown Nashville at Beaman Toyota. You can come in, ask for me. I'm more than happy to work with you guys and give you a great experience. I appreciate every you guys watching the video. Definitely give me a like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions about it. I hope I've answered the main questions that I'm getting on there about that kick sensor, but let me know if I missed anything. Like I said, this one is the hybrid, by the way, in case you're asking that question. This is the hybrid Highlander. Doesn't look any different for the most part over what its non-hybrid counterpart would look, and it doesn't really operate for the back door any different, like I said, other than being limited or a platinum would have those differences. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any other questions. Happy to help. Have a great day.